Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel and I like to help people find a sense of calm. I created this channel to share tips and tools for mental health and well-being and voice techniques for meditation and healing. In the last few videos I've been covering the seed sounds or the bija mantra, and so far we've covered the base chakra, the sacral chakra, the solar plexus chakra and the heart chakra. And this morning we're going to cover the throat chakra, the third eye chakra and the crown chakra. The sound for the crown is Om. So we'll be finishing off our meditation with Om, which will be for the crown chakra. But the sounds that come before that, the sound for the throat is hung, hung. And the sound for the third eye is shung, shung. So remember, it's neither an ung nor an ang, but somewhere in between, shung and hung. So if you're going to do the slow repetition, that would go hung, 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 and shung, shung, shung. And if you're going to do the fast repetition, it will go like this. Hung, 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 and shung, 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 shung. Okay, so if you begin by making sure that you're sitting comfortably, that the spine is nice and supported by the core muscles, you can imagine this column of sound behind you where the sound already is, so that you're not trying to kind of force a sound to come. Just imagine it's already there. If you want to imagine the colours to go with these chakras, for the throat chakra the colour is blue, and for the third eye the colour is purple, and for the crown chakra the colour is violet. Okay, so blue, purple, violet. Okay, so just before we're going to make the sounds, what we're going to do is we're going to first of all bring our awareness to listening, and then we're going to transfer our focus to our breath. And we're going to focus on 3 breaths before we start making the sounds. And then we're going to make each of the sounds 3 times. Probably a good idea to get a drink of water as well. And in the description I always put all the reminders to set yourself up properly. So a really good idea just to have a glance through there before you start making the sounds. Okay, so I'm going to now just go into listening before focusing on my breath, before making the sounds. Okay, so let's start making the sounds with hung. Hung, 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 hung. Hung, 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 hung. Hang, 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 hang. And now SHANG, 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 SHANG. Shang, 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 shang. Shang, 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 shang. And now Om. So now we have completed all of the bija mantra, the seed sounds, and in the next video we'll work through all of them. So it will be a really good kind of tune-up through the whole body, from the base chakra to the crown chakra. So make sure that you feel ready for that, kind of maybe go back over the last few videos. Remember, if you can, to nasalise the sound. You know, it makes the effect stronger because it creates a stronger vibration in the body. Yeah, try and take something of the sense of calm that hopefully you felt with me here this morning into the rest of your day. And remember, at various points during your day, to come back to the here and the now. Kind of just pause every now and again and think to yourself, where am I? Am I here now, or am I in my head somewhere else completely? You know, it's amazing how much of our day we can spend just in our head. And the problem is, when we spend time in our head day after day, it becomes like a habit. So we just reside in our head and we don't even notice that we're doing it. But through creating pauses, by making sounds like this and just bringing our awareness to where we are, we can help get back into our body and out of our head. You know, and it's only really in the here and the now that anything amazing can happen. You know, when we're in our head, we're not present. So just a really good idea to try and just pause through your day and bring yourself back to the present. So I will be back very soon with the next video running through all of the bija mantra. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and share, and if you haven't already, subscribe. I'm really trying to build a community of people to work with these sounds and to spread the word. You know, just making simple sounds like this can be very helpful for someone who is suffering with mental health issues, especially anxiety, worry, depression, you know, things where we're stuck in the head. So please do join me again. I will be back very soon. Thank you very much for being here with me. I really appreciate you being here. And I read all the comments and I will reply also. So yeah, do feel free to engage with me. Thank you very much. Be back soon. Bye bye for now.